Yo, what the fuck? This guy rear ends him into me.
Yeah, that's a fucking unlucky night, bro.
My car's misfiring. His car blows up.
I was trying to go home.
Yeah, what? Right. What's going on, YouTube? We're here with a bunch of motherfuckers and we're about to race. So, Alex, want to tell me a little bit about your GTI here that you're about to race Brian's Cobra in? Anything?
Stage 2, APR tune, just basic sporting mods, downpipe, intake, engine intake, and then CTS downpipe.
And you can subscribe to his YouTube channel, AGHL Tuners.
It's actually changed to 717 now. We just changed it. 717 Tuners.
There you go.
As of today.
That's it. Here's Briner. Super stock 4-valve, kind of. And Ethan, how about the WRX? What do you want to tell us?
No, it's stock.
It's not stock.
It's stock. They're all fucking slow anyway.
Yeah, because this Mr. Termy right here.
Okay. GTI's blown up. Oh my god. GTI blown up. You blew something. Holy shit. What a night. When you zip tie your wastegate shut and pray and a misfiring Cobra ends up winning barely and then a GTI blows up.
Oh my.
What the fuck? Oh, listen to my misfire. Yo, Conrad.
Yeah, we're misfiring.
Listen to this mean misfiring. Come listen to this.
Yo, he just blew up, didn't he?
I think you missed a gear.
I think he blew up. Do you see all the smoke?
Oh no.
He just got that rebuilt.
Do you know why you're misfiring, dog?
It's so rich. It's so rich.
It's your alternator.
What do you mean it's my alternator?
Alternator's not giving enough juice to the motor.
Dude, it's giving me way more juice than I used to have.
I thought your fucking alternator was like...
I got a brand new
He
one.
just replaced it.
That one's seized.
Oh, you already put a new one in? Like
Yeah,
Yo.
no, this is the new one.
So, what are we gonna do? Because someone's gonna have to drive that kid home because he just straight blew his car up again.
How do you know you blew it up?
Dude, all the smoke, bro, I look back, he dead stopped. He might have blew his trans because it was right when he shifted. It just went to shift because he was hanging, because he was misfiring like a motherfucker, and then I just fucking...
Yo, what the fuck? This guy rear ends him in the
Yeah, that's a fucking unlucky night, bro.
My car's misfiring.
I was trying to
His
go
car blows up.
I was trying to go home.
Yeah,
What?
right.
Yo, what?
Yo, Alex.
Come listen to this misfiring now. It sounds canned. These are stock cans. It's not canned.
So Brian's misfiring. They all rear-ended each other.
I still gave him a fucking gaptism though.
Okay. Well,
And
yeah, let's go.
GTI is blown up.
I'm just saying.